Hi folks, Deborah's Creative Kitchen here. I wanted to show you today this lovely gadget that I found on Amazon. Not selling it, but I'm quite impressed. It's called the Giraffe Co vacuum sealer for bags. An alternative to your typical Ziploc baggie. So I thought the packaging was quite nice. And basically it comes in two boxes. And the sealer comes in that box, packaged quite nicely, which we'll take apart and I'll show you. So this one here has great features because if you're ever sealing meat in their bags, it has a bottom plastic cup to draw in any moisture. It's great. Easy cleanup, comes off, and you just put it back on after you've cleaned it, and off you go. It comes with instructions on how to put it together. It comes with a large, medium, and small size bags. It also comes with a charger. It's rechargeable, no batteries needed. As well, it comes with a little clip, which I'm going to show you how to use when using the sealing bags. So for the purpose of today's video, what I wanted to show you was I had pre-made some 6-inch pie crust. I want to keep these fresh. So I've saran wrapped them, and I'm now going to use the Giraffe Co bag to seal them up so I can put them in my freezer. So they're going to last a lot longer. And then when I'm ready to use them, I'll pull one out and use them whenever I want for a quiche or a fruit pie, whatever I do. Place whichever you're going to place in there. You can use this for vegetables, you can use it for meat, you can use it for anything. For using it for my pie crust. So with using the little white clip, what we do is we grab the corner of the bag, put the clip on it, squeeze, and pull. And double check that it's all sealed and done. Then we take our vacuum sealer and we place it on top of the hole. Press down and turn it on. Because this is a larger bag, it will take a few minutes to get it going, but I like to give it a little bit of a squeeze in the corner, press this down on the pie crust. I just want this to be sealed ever so gently. But hopefully you'll be able to see that all the air is coming out of the bag. And when it's done sucking out all of the air, it will actually turn itself off. And there you have it, folks. You take that off. It's the perfect seal. There's zero air in here. It's amazing. So now I feel comfortable putting this in my freezer and allowing them to stay up to 3 months. An easy way to keep your pie crust or your vegetables or your meat fresher. That is a medium-sized bag with a 10-inch pie. Sealed up ever so nicely. Again, in the freezer it goes until I am ready to make my pies. Hope you enjoyed my video and thank you for watching Deborah's Creative Kitchen and have yourself a wonderful day.